Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your American Express bank with Splitwise. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund Splitwise transactions with American Express. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first log on to Splitwise. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. From here, click on Add a Funding Source. Then click on Bank Account. Next, go ahead and click on Continue. Then click on Continue again. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on American Express. So now it'll prompt you to log into your American Express account so that you can indicate which account you want to connect with Splitwise with. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.